Hey friends, I had to make some more of the pumpkin pie French toast with the Todd English air fryer. My son, my 6-year-old son, absolutely loved it, and my nephew. So I had to make a couple more, and I just wanted to show you the finished product of the pumpkin pie French toast. It's the recipe that had come with the Todd English recipe booklet. And I used the Pepperidge Farm Swirl brown sugar cinnamon bread for this. And it also 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 4 slices of cinnamon swirl bread. We use the brown sugar cinnamon swirl from Pepperidge Farm bread. And we're going to add us some maple syrup, maybe a little bit of honey, and of course butter. And it should be done anytime now. It takes 10 minutes at 340 degrees. Very fast, efficient, it's quiet, very quiet. There we have it, it's finished. Okay, let me make a little room here. I have a very small work area. There you have it. Okay, I'm going to have to, well, maybe I can get it with one hand. A little bit difficult with one hand, holding the camera. I'm going to have to invest in a tripod. For sure. Get that little rack with this, of course. My mother just recently gave me this Todd English air fryer for a gift, and I absolutely love it. I love it. I love my butter bell. Let me get some butter on that for the boys. What's toast without butter, right? A little bit of room there. I'm going to add some syrup. Almost have syrup. Going to have to buy some more syrup. And a little bit of honey. There we go. And that's the finished product right there. I'm using the Todd English air fryer. I absolutely love it. That's the pumpkin pie French toast that I just made with it. Thanks for viewing.